I'm Charles Shepard with ID Technology. I'm really excited to present our 265 CarbonFlex print and apply system. This is a revolution to the labeling industry for secondary cases. We've removed all pneumatic components from this system and use a servo motor to move a flexible carbon fiber paddle to deliver the label to the front, side, or even corner wrap of a case. This improves our throughput. It handles various irregularities with the carton placement on the conveyance, and it also improves our safety because this will not hurt an operator going out or coming back. If I push this little button here, you can see just how simple, quick, and easy this is to operate. This is a market-leading product.